Look by the door. Look over there. We have to practice this some more before next year. Oh, you may open it. Ready?
Whoa, what's in there? Bubbles.
Yeah, more bubbles. She's gonna need help to find the other two over there.
Oh, there's more over there.
There's one on the VHSs and one on top of the DVDs.
Okay, look. You see one? Whoa. I saw her little chalk eggs in her chair, and I was like, there's a lot more over here.
Nah.
Beautiful. Okay, where are the other ones? Do you see any more? What if you look over there? Not there. Over there. What is it? Do you need help?
It's Play-Doh, I think.
Oh, I don't know if I can get it open either. Whoa! It even has a bunny on it. Take your egg, put it by the other ones. Wait, that's not the right order. There you go.
Play-Doh and then egg.
There you go.
Okay, Munchkin.
Come here. Go look over there. Over there.
See? Whoa!
Hey, too far.
Come back! Come back! Look. Right there. Come here! You went too far!
Sophia.
Look. Right there.
That was so cute. Whoa, bubbles!
Good job. I think those ones up by Cassie are gonna be the last ones.
Come here! More over there. Over there. Look. Not in your room.
Look over there. No, look down. Look. Two at once.
Double trouble. A one for me?
Thanks. I don't think you can open that one. Here, let's trade. You open that one. I'll open this one. There you go.
Oh, she can't do that. Wait.
Two. One thing at a time.
Okay, come here.
Can you open it? See what we're gonna be doing later?
Bubbles or stamps?
No Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. Seems like Play-Doh. Seems like her favorite at the moment.
Because I don't let her play with it very often.
It's nice of you.
She dries it out. So.
Look up there. Oh.
Squeeze it hard.
Oh.
Thanks.
Yeah! Score! Fruit snacks.
Smack it up. How are you gonna hold it? Okay, like that. You're going the wrong way. Hey, bucket, then couch. Okay, the ones by Cassie are the lastest ones.
Oh. No.
Oh, that's not to go in there. Look here.
Thanks, kid.
Sophia, Cassie's got some.
gonna have to help her
Sophia.
get them out. She'll
Sophia,
just
over
pulverize.
Come here.
Cassie can show you.
No.
Come here. Here.
Sophia.
See, Cassie.
She's like, guys, I'm looking for eggs.
You see it?
There you go. Open it up.
You get it?
Oh, oh, the hunter's gotta help.
There's stuff on it.
Open it.
Oh, she's going back.
Is that it?
What? Yep, that's it.
What is this?
I think. How many Play-Dohs we got?
5.
We're missing one.
I said, usually they can say something.
Yeah. Where did I hide the other one?
You always miss one. I'll turn up because they're moving.
She's
So eventually
looking.
I'll find it.
She's looking for it. Oh, it's in the DVD crate. Sophia,
Sophia!
come here. Look.
One more.
Look in there.
Open. Oh, okay, come here. What is it? Open it. What? Play-Doh.
Put in with the other Play-Dohs.
Come here.
She's like, wait,
Yeah,
they
no,
were in
what am I
line.
doing? What am I doing?
They were in line over here. I had them organized.
Oh.
Those bunnies, they just keep hopping away.
There we go.
All done. Put it here. All done.
Yay!
Woo! No, she's like, no. Listen, there's stuff over here.
All done.
Oh, God.